AAA has partnered with the University of Utah to conduct this research because we feel it's in the best interest of the public good. As automakers roll out new technologies in the vehicle, we feel it's our responsibility to ensure they're safe and easy to use.
Using the touchscreen, tune the radio to 97.1 FM. Go.
And so our current research looks at cognitive distraction, visual distraction, and it also looks at how much time it requires for people to complete tasks. We then bring the expert evaluation ratings together with the on-road assessment data, and we blend those together to form a complete picture of what's really causing this distraction potential for drivers.
When we developed our scale, we tried to set a red line for what we thought would be a high water mark, that whatever interactions you do in the car shouldn't have a higher cognitive load or a higher visual load or a longer time to complete.
And really what we've seen is that on most dimensions, what's currently in the vehicle is just too demanding.
The car of 2017 is a lot more difficult to use in terms of that electronic suite than it was 4 or 5 years ago.
Call Matt Plum. I hate the stupid touchscreen so much.
Stop sign.
Sometimes the best solution is always the most simplest. I absolutely miss knobs.
What I found surprising in these cars is the amount of technologies that automakers introduce in the market. I think there is an assumption it is being fully tested and evaluated and is being deemed safe. The problem with that is that that's not always the case.
The technology in the cars really exploded in the last few years. Steering wheels that have 19 multifunction buttons. We've made what were relatively simple tasks really complex. We've really gone in the wrong direction in terms of some of the technology.
And so we're seeing that even tasks that were designed to just load on cognitive attention still have a significant visual demand component to them.
Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth audio. Yeah, it wasn't really that fast.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Yes.
Speak an address in the United States.
And worst of all was trying to navigate that navigation system while you're driving.
Participants multiple times would be looking down the forward roadway, but I would have to say stop sign because they weren't actually seeing anything that was on the road.
With the best intentions, we will put some technology in the car that we think will make the car safer. But people being people will use that technology in ways that we don't anticipate. So what we hope is that our research will be used by consumers to help make a good decision about what vehicles and what technology in the vehicles is best for them.
I think there are some bright spots in our research that helps to set the model for other manufacturers to see that there are ways of designing this technology that aren't going to be as distracting.
AAA wants industry to work harder to ensure that the design of their in-vehicle infotainment systems are easy to use and safe for drivers. The benefits of this technology are obvious, but safety must remain a top priority. Working together, we can ensure a safer ride home for all of us at the end of the day.